Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super quick, but I really wanted to try out this nail design that I saw on a nail artist page called Amaya Nails. I think that's how you say it, Amaya Nails. So yes, these nails today are inspired by this nail artist. So let's jump straight into the video. So I'm already going to prep my nails off camera, but if you'd like an in-depth video of how to press on nails, then please do let me know and I'll film that. I mean, I think I'll film it regardless, but yes. So I'm starting off with a nude gel polish base. I literally got this off eBay. I'll try my best to link it below. So I apply the first coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I will go in again and apply a second coat, just so that it's not as transparent and the color comes through a lot more. Okay, so now for the fun parts. I took a variety of orange, pink, red, yellow, and I also ended up adding some whites. And with all of my chosen colors, I just lined them up on this mixing palette. And then I took a nail dotting tool and just swirled all those colors together up and down. So swiping down the whole length of those marble colors with the brush, I then applied that on the tip of the nail. And if you notice, I tried to keep as much of the marbling effect as possible, but the color still jumbled up in this overall orange color. So if you keep watching, you'll notice I took a smaller brush and I'm going to use that to add in the detailed marbling effects with those brighter colors, and I'll just put that where I want them. I went in and added the white, pink, yellow, red, another pink, and I'm going to use my small brush to add in those colors as and when I need them. So yes, if you try this and you find that your marble is kind of mixing up a bit too much, then just use a smaller brush to add in those lines and strokes and the marble effects where you want them. And I'm also using this small detailing brush to make sure the French tip goes all the way to the edge of the nail and all the way to the top of the cuticle. So this is what the first set is looking like, all cured and no top coats. How gorgeous are these colors together? It looks so vibrant and fiery and just so attractive. I really love this nail design. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the other set of nails, and then we should have our 2 sets nice and done. Now guys, here's where I really got confused. So I have this Sally Hansen gel matte top coat, but as I started applying this, I mean, it was going on as a normal gel polish would or should, and then I kind of realized it started drying on its own. So anyone who's used this polish before, please do confirm for me, is this a normal nail polish or is it actually gel? Because why does it say miracle gel if it's not a gel polish? Anyways, it still worked, like it made the nails matte, so there's no real problem, but I was just confused because it said gel. Here's the final set of nails on my fingers. I absolutely love these nails. Again, thank you to Amaya Nails on Instagram for the inspiration. That's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.